What if I told you Ford is about to flip the car industry upside down? We're talking about legendary nameplates making a comeback, truly affordable EVs, and brand new designs that might just crush the competition. From muscle-inspired pickups to rally-ready hatchbacks, these aren't just updates, these are game changers. And here's the kicker. Some of these cars will be priced so low that even in 2026's market, they'll feel like a steal. This is Auto Experience, and today we're counting down the top 5 new Ford models confirmed or heavily rumored for 2026 that could reshape the US market. So buckle up, smash that like button if you love Ford news, and stick around till number 1. Trust me, you'll be shocked which American icon is making a return. Number 5. Ford Ranchero. The Ford Maverick's popularity was off the charts until the price hikes. That left a huge gap for something even smaller, simpler, and cheaper. Enter the Ford Ranchero. Yes, that Ranchero, the name once tied to muscle and utility, is coming back, but in a way you've never seen before. Built on Ford's Global B platform, the same bones as the Ford Puma and Transit Courier, the new Ranchero is designed to be compact, practical, and ultra-affordable. Key highlights: target starting price, under $20,000, a real unicorn in today's market. Made in the USA to dodge import tariffs and create local jobs. Simple design borrowed from the Transit Courier, cheap to build, easy to repair. No flashy tech, just manual climate controls, basic plastics, and functional design. Under the hood, you can expect a 1.0-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder standard, optional 1.5-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder, a 1.0-liter mild hybrid for those who want fuel savings without going full EV. This isn't a truck for bragging rights. It's for people who just need a truck, not a payment plan the size of a mortgage. Question for you. If Ford brings this in at $19,995, would you buy one? Drop your answer in the comments. Number 4. Ford Fiesta. Speaking of affordable, the Ford Fiesta is coming back. After disappearing from the US and Europe, Ford realized there's still a market craving cheap, reliable city cars. And the Fiesta will once again be that car. This time, Ford is stripping it down to the essentials. Manual windows in base trims, cheap plastics inside, optional extras only if you want them. Why? To keep prices well below competitors like the VW Polo, Mini Cooper, and Hyundai Kona. Expect it to share engines with the Ranchero, meaning small displacement but excellent fuel economy. And here's where it gets spicy. An electric version based on VW's MEB small car platform is also planned, though that'll likely come a year or two later. Ford is positioning this as the anti-SUV for people tired of oversized, overpriced crossovers. Call to comment. Which would you rather own? The comeback Ranchero or the comeback Fiesta? Let's see the poll in the comments. Number 3. Ford Ranger Lightning. Okay, this one's going to stir some debate. EV trucks haven't exactly taken the world by storm. They're often expensive, heavy, and less capable than their gas-powered siblings. The F-150 Lightning is a perfect example. While it's impressive in some areas, it falls short for buyers who need maximum range, heavy towing, or all-day work capability. Ford's solution: don't make a giant EV, make a mid-size one. Meet the Ford Ranger Lightning, currently under the codename Project T3. Think of it as the F-150 Lightning's smaller, tougher, more affordable little brother, aimed at delivering EV benefits without the downsides of full-size excess. Why this could work? Target towing capacity, around 9,000 pounds, which would outclass every other mid-size EV truck currently on the market. Simplified interior and design, less tech fluff, more focus on utility, which also helps keep costs in check. Lower starting price, rumored to begin around $45,000, making it significantly cheaper than most electric trucks today. Urban-friendly size, easier to maneuver, park, and store than a full-size pickup without feeling cramped. This truck isn't built for cross-country hauling or replacing your diesel Super Duty. Instead, it's perfect for city contractors, weekend adventurers, landscapers, and anyone hauling or towing within shorter distances. Around town range, instant electric torque, and reduced operating costs could make it a smart buy for the right customer. If Ford can truly combine capability, reasonable pricing, and mid-size practicality, the Ranger Lightning might just be the first EV truck that makes real-world sense for everyday use. The big question: would you trust an all-electric Ranger for your work or weekend needs? Let us know in the comments. We're curious who's ready to go electric in the mid-size truck game. Number 2. Ford Focus, the crossover-hatchback hybrid. Ford's bringing the Focus back, but not as the boring little hatch you remember. Think of this as a mashup, part nimble hatchback, part rugged subcompact SUV. It's built to sit between the likes of the Escape and a small city car, and its real target is the Subaru Crosstrek, except the Focus aims to be sportier, sharper, and more fun on pavement. What you'll actually get: base, 1.0-liter EcoBoost, front-wheel drive, light, efficient, and cheap to run. Mid-range, 1.5-liter EcoBoost, AWD available, the go-to daily driver for most buyers. High-end, 2.0-liter EcoBoost, pushing approximately 230 horsepower, all-wheel drive standard. Quick, confident, and comfortable. ST, a no-compromise 2.3-liter with 300-plus horsepower and all-wheel drive. Ford's answer to the Subaru WRX, but with a more refined on-road character. The headline here is the ST model. With turbo grunt, an advanced AWD system, and an 8-speed DCT, it's built to deliver real driving excitement. Crisp shifts, strong mid-range torque, and far better on-road engagement than typical CVT-equipped rivals. If you like cornering and actual gear changes, this Focus could be the one to watch. Beyond powertrains, expect a chassis tuned toward agility rather than floaty SUV feel. Sharper steering, lower roll, and suspension that rewards drivers who push a little. Inside, Ford will likely offer a modern infotainment stack and driver aids, but keep the driving experience central. In short, if you want something smaller than an Escape but far more exciting than a bland crossover, the new Focus could be the sweet spot. Practical enough for daily life, sporty enough to make the commute fun. Which Focus would you pick? The efficient 1.0-liter, the all-wheel drive mid-range, the 230 horsepower option, or the fire-breathing ST? Tell us in the comments. We want to know. Number 1. Ford Taurus Surprise. The king of American sedans is making a U.S. comeback. The Ford Taurus may have disappeared from American showrooms years ago, but it never truly died. While we moved on to SUVs and trucks, the Taurus continued to sell overseas, especially in the Middle East and Asia, where sedans remain a strong favorite. Now, with models like the Toyota Camry proving that there's still a healthy market for traditional sedans, Ford is bringing this icon back home for 2026. So why does the Taurus matter today? First, it's built for comfort. Its softer suspension will make it ideal for rough, pothole-filled city streets, a welcome contrast to the stiffer, sportier setups in some rivals. Second, it swaps the often criticized CVT for an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering smoother and more responsive highway driving without the constant engine drone. And third, Ford plans to price it competitively against the Camry, but with more torque thanks to its turbocharged engines. Under the hood, expect 3 options: a 1.5-liter Turbo 4 for efficiency, a 2.0-liter EcoBoost for more power, a 1.5-liter hybrid with MPG that could surpass the Camry hybrid while offering stronger torque. The revived Taurus isn't trying to be a sports sedan. Instead, it's aimed at buyers who value a comfortable, traditional, and modern sedan, something that's getting harder to find in today's market. Drop your pick in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit like to help more Ford fans see it, and make sure to subscribe to Auto Experience so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into each of these models. And remember, in the world of cars, the future comes faster than you think. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.